everyone, it's Nicole and I thought I'd do something fun today. I'm going to be telling you my 10 favorite tools for scrapbooking this year. Now I have to say, I cheated a little bit. Some of the stuff I combined because they kind of go together, but you'll see what I mean. So let's get started. And they're in no particular order. These are just my favorite tools for 2018. And I know we're not quite in December, but I can't see that my list would change in the next month. So I'm just going to go ahead and talk about all my favorite tools. So first, my ATG gun. I don't think I could scrapbook without it. I love it. I love that. I know it's kind of big, but you kind of get used to it. And I love that the rolls last so long compared to the smaller adhesive. So I love that. Now, on the same, in the adhesive world, I love my 3M foam tape. And I like getting them in the huge, I'll show you, in the huge rolls like this, because they last forever. This big roll will last me over 2 years. And just to let you know, I will have all the links to in the description box below where you can find all those tools, because I get asked so many questions so many times. So that's why I decided to do this video. So this is the EK Success powder tool. And if you've been following me for a while on my channel, I love making page kits, and I don't put a full sticker sheet into my page kit. I take the sticker off, I take away the stickiness. So basically in the barrel of this, it's baby powder. And it takes away the stickiness, because when you shake it and you rub it on your sticker, the powder comes out and your sticker becomes non-sticky, and you can put it in your page kit. Now when you're ready to scrapbook it, you just add some more adhesive and you're good to go. So this I've had for probably 5 years now, and I've never had to put more powder in there. So it lasts forever. Now again, it seems to be a lot of adhesive stuff that is my favorite tools. I put these two together because this, the Scotch quick dry adhesive, and I think they have a new name for this, but I'll have it in, like I said, in the description box below. And you put it inside this little bottle. And I'll have this link down below too. And only this way, only a little bit comes out. Compared to this, a lot comes out. So I like that. If you want some detail, you have some small stickers, this little bottle really works. So I'll have that link in the box below. Now, I put those two together because this is the Tim Holtz okay, so these next two items go together. The Tim Holtz Distress Inks, so you can get those in the bigger ink pads or the smaller ones. I like the smaller ones for just inking the edges of my ephemera or my pages or anything like that. And they come with this little, or you can buy the little aluminum box, I guess, to put them in. And you can buy them either separately or in packages of 3. And then you have the Tim Holtz blending tool and the little sponges. So I kind of put them together. So as one, like I put this together as one. And then there's a lot of Tim Holtz stuff, I guess. The Tim Holtz tiny attacher, that's my favorite stapler. And then you have the little staples that go with it. I love those. I mean, you can't have this without that, so we'll put it together. And then some of my favorite scissors, and I like them to cut especially through my foam tape. I don't like to use regular scissors for that, so I love those tiny Tim Holtz scissors for that. So those two kind of go together. And then one of my favorite tools that I got in the last 3 or 4 months is this mat and my knife from Gorgeous, Santoro Gorgeous. I love these two things. I love that I can put this on my regular mat because I don't like to cut on this because it wrecks my big mat. And I've been using this for months, and you can't even tell that it's all like cut to pieces. And those two things go together. And I love this little girl. She's so cute. Now the next two are cutters. Now one of my favorite cutters for photos, this is the only thing that I use this for, is my Creative Memory trimmer. And I use this for photos only. Now there's other similar ones to this. There's the tonic one and a few other ones. So if I can't find the Creative Memories, I'll link some different ones below. And then one of my favorite tools of all time is this Caterpillar crop to cut down my pattern papers or my cardstock. And this is a well-loved tool. Like, I use it all the time. And I do have the Pro, which it's a bigger one than this. But this one I like it because, one, I mean, you can extend out the arm, and then you can, you know, it's up to like 18 inches, so big enough for your 12 by 12. And two, there's a light. And three, it's portable enough that you can bring it to crops. And that's it. Those are my 10-ish favorite tool. Oh, no, I got one more. I forgot. My other favorite tool is the Ranger Heated Tools. And again, it doesn't say Tim Holtz on this, but Tim Holtz uses it all the time. And I like it when I do, I call it soft mixed media. I'm not, you know, like right into a lot of mixed media, but whenever I use ink or anything like that, I like to use this, and it's not loud. So that's what I like it. I like it for my mixed media. Now that's it. That's the 10 tools-ish that were my favorite tools in 2018. And again, everything will be linked in the description box below to Amazon.ca and Amazon.com. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.